There are some destructive mistakes that can be made when selling your home that can cost you thousands of dollars off your bottom line. Hey, this is Jason DeLong with Heartland Homes KC. If you're thinking of selling your home now or in the future, come and take the time to find out how you can capitalize on what's probably the most important investment in your life. Even if you've already sold a home in the past, things have really changed in the industry, and I know the hour you'll spend will be well worth it. Listen, I also know that everyone knows a realtor, but take caution. Lack of experience and knowledge can not only lead to problems and stress on your behalf, but it can also cost you an exorbitant amount of money. Come join me for an hour to find out how selling your house in this digital age is so different than it was even just a few years ago. All the details are below, so please be sure to register so we can be best prepared for you. I'm excited to see you there.